We can use this graph to change between stones and kilograms. And in part A, we're asked to change 3 stones to kilograms. Okay, so if we have a look at our graph here, on the x-axis we've got stones, and the y-axis we've got kilograms. So if I want to change 3 stones to kilograms, first we need to look on our stones axes and find 3, so that's here. And from there I'm going to draw a straight line up until we hit our line on the graph. Once we've done that, I'm going to draw from that point a straight line over to our y-axis. If we have a look at what number this represents, we're going from 10 here, so each square represents 1. So we're going to go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this point here, that is 19. So we worked out that 3 stone is 19 kilograms, giving us 1 mark. Now part B says we need to change 80 kilograms to stone. If we have a look at our graph, we've got a problem, because our graph only goes up to 70 kilograms. This means we can't do the same as before. We can't just read off from here and see where it hits the line, because we haven't got that information. So what we can do instead is if we take our 80 kilograms, and if we divide it by 2, so if I do 80 divided by 2, that's going to give us 40. And now 40 we can read off. So I'm going to go up to 40 here and draw a line, the same as we did before. And now I'm going to draw one down and read off how many stone that is. And if we have a look, our scale, we're going between 6 here and 7 here. So I think each square represents 0.2 because we've got 6.2, 6.4, 6.6, 6.8, 7. So here we're in between this line and this line. So 6.2, 6.4, so this is 6.3. So we got that 40 kilograms equals 6.3 stones. But we don't want that, we want 80 kilograms. So if I multiply this side by 2, we're essentially reversing what we did here. We'll get back up to 80 kilograms. But we've got to do the same on the other side. If we multiply by 2, we'll have 6.3 multiplied by 2, giving us 12.6, which is our final answer. So we get 1 mark for converting 40 kilograms, or any other factor of 80 for that matter. Then we get a second mark then for scaling that back up to get the correct answer, 12.6. And it's important to note, because we're reading off a graph like this, it can sometimes be hard to see exactly what the number is. So in the mark scheme, if you're anywhere between 12.4 and 12.8, you'll get the mark.